Hello students, how are you? Hope everyone is fine. From today, we are going to start our English class. This is your English textbook. Today, we are going to discuss about an interesting topic. Children, can I know what is your aim? Yeah, someone aim is to become teacher, some other may be doctor, lawyer, engineer, etc. In the childhood, my aim was also to become a teacher because I love this profession. I love to spend time with kids. I like to share knowledge to my future generation. And also I can give back to the community what I have learned. And I'm very much happy and enthusiastic to learn every time. So these are few reasons to become a teacher. So children, your homework is you have to write about your aim and also justify it. That means you have to give the reason why you choose the profession. Hope you have understood. You have to write about the profession which you like, which you are aiming. Hope you have understood what is our topic now. Yeah, the topic is about job. Yeah, about profession. Now we are going to know about the best job in the world. Children, do you like vacation? Yeah, of course. Everyone likes vacation. Why not? So, if you have a job which you make feel like vacation, will you enjoy the job? Yeah, definitely I will enjoy the job. Yeah, everyone will enjoy those kind of jobs. So, let us see one such kind of story. This was happened in May 2009. When was it happened, children? In May 2009. There was a man named Ben Southall. He was from United Kingdom. He won global competition. He won global competition which was organized by the tourism department. Who have organized, children? Yeah, tourism department of Queensland has organized it. And then he became the official caretaker of island. What did he become, children? Official caretaker of the island. Means he would take care of that island. Where is it? In the Great Barrier Reef. Yeah, reef is nothing but rocks. What is meant by reef, children? Rock. He bet over 35,000 aspirants. Okay, I got it out. What is meant by aspirant? Can anyone? Yeah, a person who has ambitions to achieve something. A person who has ambitions to achieve something is nothing but an aspirant. He bet over 35,000 aspirants from 200 countries to win the best job in the world. Who? Who have achieved it? Ben. Yeah, Ben has achieved the best job in the world award. Apart from the job, he also got a very good salary. Free house, and he also got a free house in luxurious villa and free transportation around the island. But the only pity thing was the job was only for 6 months. So now let us see the advertisement which appeared in international newspaper, magazine and online inviting application for the best job in the world. So let us look after that. First, let us see about the job. This is about the job description. This job is only for 6 months. How many months? Yeah, 6 months. It is on-site job. It is on-site job. There is no fixed timings. They don't have any fixed timing or any working hours. Suppose now in our school we'll be having fixed timings like 8:30 to 3:30. But for the job, no timings at all. And the main responsibility is to explore the island. What is the responsibility, children? To explore, to find out the new things in the island, to discover the area, to discover about the area. And then you have to report back what you have adventured in Brisbane. We have to report back through weekly blogs. Children, what is meant by blog? Yeah, blog is nothing but a web page which we will regularly update or else we can report back. and also we can report back by photo diary, video updates, and ongoing media interviews. So in these ways we can update it. This is a special opportunity to advertise wondrous island of the Great Barrier Reef. Now let us see the other duties. The other duties include feeding the fishes. There are over 1500 species of fishes living there, but you won't need to feed them all. The other duty is to clean the pool. The pool has automatic filter, so not a problem. Next, collect the mail. So during the exploration, we can also use air service. Actually, it's a great opportunity to view the island with airway service. Yes or no, children? With the help of airway, we can see very great island. The view of island will be very beautiful by looking through the airway. Next, let us look at the job package. The successful candidate will be paid a salary package of Australians $1,50,000, approximately 73 lakhs. For how many months, children? Yeah, only for 6 months contract they are getting 73 lakhs. And you can also receive airfares from your home country, accommodation and transport, and also you can get travel insurance for the contract period and a computer with internet, digital videos, still cameras access, and also travel to number of other islands. The 6 months contract commences from 1st July 2000. From when it is going to start, children? From 1st July 2009. It has commenced, children? Yeah, 1st July 2009. Next, let us see about the location. It is about 2600 kilometers long and composed over 2900 individual rocks. How many rocks? 2900 individual rocks and 900 islands. How many islands, children? 900. Yeah. The Great Barrier Reef in the Queensland, Australia is the world's largest coral reef system. This is the world's largest coral reef system. The World Heritage listed areas support wide range of varieties like whales, dolphins, sea turtles and more than 1500 species of fish. This reef is an extremely popular destination for tourists. It attracts the tourists and they are organizing approximately 2 million visitors each year without damaging ecology of the area. Now let us look at education and experience requirements. They need lot of experience, but the successful applicant should also have excellent interpersonal communication skills. Interpersonal communication is nothing but an exchange of information between two or more people. Interpersonal communication is nothing but an exchange of information between two or more people. And they should also have good written and verbal English skills. That is nothing but they should have a good writing skills without any grammatical mistakes. And next is they should also have an adventurous attitude. It means they should be capable to deal with any kind of situation. The next is the willingness to try new things. Means the person should have interest to know or learn about the new things. The other thing is they also should have a passion for the outdoors. It means they should be interested to go out for other locations also. Not only that, but also they should be interested to go for other locations. And also the person should also have swimming skills and enthusiasm for snorkeling diving. Snorkeling diving is nothing but swimming just under the surface of water. Swimming just under the surface of water while breathing through a tube. Yeah, they should have these kind of things. And one more, they also have ability to engage with others. It means they have to talk with unknown persons also. The next thing is, and at least they should have 1 year experience. Without experience, they are not at all allowed. So these are the requirements. And next, let us see how to apply for this job. So first, you have to create a detailed video telling why you are the best person for this job, and you have to share your knowledge about the island of Great Barrier Reef in that video. Next, you have to fill application form and upload your video to www.islandreefjob.com. Application will be open on 9th January. Applications will be open from 9th January 2 p.m. and it will be closes on 22nd February 2009. At time will be 11:59 p.m. It will be closed. When it is going to open, children? On 9th January 2 p.m. When it will be closed? 22nd Feb 2009, 11:59 p.m. Yeah. Only 11 candidates will be invited to the island for interview from 3rd to 7th May. How many candidates will be selected, children? Yeah, only 11 candidates will be selected. And what are the dates? Interview dates? 3rd to 7th May. Yeah, 3rd to 7th May. So, if you want the best job in the world, you will need to be available to travel to Queensland for the final interview selection. For final interview selection, we have to go to Queensland. You will also need to be available to start work on 1st July 2000, and we should also able to start our work from 1st July 2009. Then only you can apply for this job. For more information and to apply, visit www.islandreefjob.com. So if for further information we can visit this website, so that we'll be knowing. Children, have you understood what is this? So what does this advertisement has, children? This advertisement includes about the job, other duties, job package, job location, education and experience, and how to apply. Not only this, in the newspaper you can see different kinds of job advertisement. You can find all those details. So let us do this task. Collect a newspaper. Collect a newspaper. In that newspaper, find out the job article. What you should find? Job article. And then find out the details like about the job, other duties, job package, job location, experience, what is the education you needed, and how to apply. And note down in your homework book. So you have to complete 2 tasks. What are the 2 tasks, children? Yeah, the first task is about what is your aim. In the lesson starting I have informed you know. Yeah, you have to write what is your aim, and you have to justify about your aim. And next, second task is about job details. Hope everyone have understood the topic. Any queries, post in WhatsApp. Thank you.